How to add a driver on the TruckX Fleet app. Find and tap on the TruckX Fleet app on your device. Please download the app, if not already done. Click on the plus icon to access the available options. Select Add Driver to initiate the driver addition process. Input driver's personal info, including first and last name, mobile number, and email. Scroll down and input driver's license info including license number, country, license state, and license expiration date. Click Next. Choose Home Terminal Time Zone, Cargo Type, Cycle Type, Restart Hours, and Rest Break Requirements. Click Next. Assign a vehicle to the driver. You can also do this after adding the driver. Click Save. Yay! The driver is now added and can be accessed in the driver's list in your account.